using the Overpass API. In this tutorial video, you will learn how to use the Overpass API. Click the Overpass API option from the Data Library menu on the left menu. In the panel that opens, after adding the layer name and filters to be saved in the panel, click the Add to Map button. When the query is first done, the maximum zoom level of the map is set to 14. Each time the query button is clicked, the query result is added to the map for the parts currently visible on the map. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to follow us to be updated for recent developments. You may continue to next tutorial video.